It's basically what we teach them from middle school and before, to be completely dedicated to something and passionate, and to engulf yourself in something to that next level is really just the logical next step. To specialize in something that you really love and can grow through and maybe challenges you, satisfies you.
I'm in 11th grade. Coming to BASIS was a different experience because it was my first private school.
I visited BASIS when I was a freshman in high school. BASIS was able to kind of take me under their wing.
It offered a much bigger challenge than my other public schools would offer.
The teachers are extremely encouraging. They have you channel your academic curiosity.
It opened me up to the high school experience in a way I never knew it could be.
Because I did come from a middle school that didn't really prepare me to test out to other areas.
And it really got me into the mode of academic, like a rigorous academic program.
They helped me so much, and they helped me grow so much as a person. I mean, if you spoke to me 5 years ago in 8th grade and told me that I would be, admitted into NYU, I would look at you like you were crazy.
We have a very vibrant arts program here. We have a great theater drama department. We have an amazing music department, and we're able to have music, and we have several concerts a year and a spring arts show. We've grown the sports program a lot, and we have students competing in competitive sport. In high school, we're getting students who are really driving interest in their own clubs. So they're finding a program they want, they're finding a teacher to host the club, and they're pursuing new things on their own.
The way that the college counseling program works is we actually start in the 8th grade. As we go through in the 9th grade, I meet with students upon request. We have a 9th and 10th grade college night that I offer in the fall and the spring. Also, all of our college visits are open to students in 9th grade and above. We've had over 70 colleges and universities that have visited or are visiting us this fall. In the 11th grade, we consider that the go year in college admissions. So that's the year when students are putting their standardized test plans, which we've discussed in our check-ins in the 10th grade, into action. They are taking the SAT, the ACT. In 12th grade, we'll actually have a college counseling class where we'll meet every day to talk about the nuts and bolts of applying to college. Planning, we are working on our essays, we're sending our test scores. Now I know I've done my research, this is my final list, and then we have that ceremony where we sign off on that final list, and we're helping them through that application process.